Hi everybody, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and right now I'm gonna announce the winners of my 1K giveaway. So let's get started. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I'm so excited to announce the winners, and that's right, I said winners, because remember, there's 3 total of my 1K giveaway. So I don't want to make this too long, and I want to make sure that everybody knows who won tonight, so I can get this posted as quick as I can. So let's go ahead and start with the Facebook post. So as usual, I'm going to use the comment picker, and then over here you're going to see the screen as I take a look at it, so you can see who won as I see it. Actually, it's after I see it, but you know what I'm saying. Like, you know, the video editing magic, it looks like it's all at the same time, right? Anyway, I'll shut up and just get it done. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pick the Facebook group comment. So, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the Hook to the Left community. And then I'm going to select my post, which was from the 23rd. Alright, and then we're going to include comment replies. I'm not going to filter unknown users because that means you guys would have had to give permission. So what's going to end up happening is it's going to give me show me the Facebook comment, but it's not going to say who made that comment. So I'm going to have to look that up, and I'll kind of flash that at the bottom after, because I'll look it up after the fact while I'm doing the editing process. So I'm going to include comment replies, and I'm going to filter. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that because you have to give permission. So I'm going to include all comment replies. So let me go ahead and click on Get Comments. So there were 108 comments on that post. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Start and let it choose the comments, and it's looking right now. And so the winner, it says winner unknown, as you can see up here, and that is just because Facebook requires that you also give permission to have your name shown. So I'm going to look up this comment, and I will put the name somewhere around on the bottom of the screen. But the comment says, "Congratulations, Mel. My goals are to make granny square blanket and learn some new stitches," which is awesome. So congratulations to the winner of my Facebook drawing. So you guys, I went ahead and looked it up because I need to draw the name to see who won first, second, and third prizes. But the person who won my Facebook comment picker, so one from the Facebook group, is Linda Simpson. Congrats, Linda. That's so awesome. I'm so excited for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the who won the Instagram. So going back to comment picker, and let me scroll up here. Let me go to Instagram. Alright, and now let me go ahead and start my recording. Okay, so I need to log into Instagram. Alright, and I'm going to select my post, and the post is from January 23rd. There we go. It starts with yarn giveaway. There's no minimum amount, and I don't want to filter duplicate users because I did allow, if you mentioned a friend in a post and a separate post, that was another entry for you. So I am allowing duplicate users in this case. And but I am not including comment replies. So let me go ahead and get the comments for this, as it is searching for the comments. Alright, so there's a total of 521 comments on that Instagram post. Wow, you guys. Wow! Amazing! Thank you! Okay, so let's go ahead and hit the start button and see who won the Instagram. Okay, so the winner is Motley 9979. So, and the comment that won was where they were tagging a friend, a Scarlett Von Frankie, it looks like. My eyesight might be bad, but anyway, I do know that the winner is Motley 9979. So I'm gonna go ahead and write down Motley 9979. 9979. Okay, I'm writing it down on a piece of paper here so that I can do the drawing here in just a moment. All right, and then next up is the YouTube picker. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over to comment picker. I'm gonna start recording. Gonna pick the YouTube random comment picker. Scroll down, paste in the link. Filter duplicate users on that one, and I'm gonna get my YouTube comments, and 349 comments on that post. Woo! Thank you, you guys. So let's see who won from the YouTube one. So let's go ahead and hit start as it's scrolling through. And congratulations, Crystal Hodges. She says, my goal is to not drive my husband crazy. That's always a good goal. Although sometimes it's always fun to drive them crazy. Anyway, to not drive my husband crazy, dragging him through yarn sales. He is a good sport, but he is tired of my yarny talk. And me asking him which patterns he likes best. Well, you know what, Crystal? Always feel free to come in and ask us, because we would love to answer your questions. And you know what? If you want to share your yarny happiness with us, we would be happy to live in that joy with you. But congratulations, Crystal. So let's go ahead and write down Crystal Hodges. So the three of you are my winners. So that's Linda Simpson, Motley 9979, and Crystal Hodges. Now what I need to do, next step, is to draw my winner, or like which tier that you won. So I am cutting these up, make them close to the same size. I have my three little pieces of paper here. They all got the so they're close to the same size, close enough. My three little pieces of paper here, and I'm gonna fold them up, fold them in half, and then in half, in here, in half, and again in half, in half, in half, and again in half. So here's my little bowl. Now the first one that I choose is going to be my third place winner. Okay, so I'm gonna have third, then second, and then the final one, of course, is gonna be my first place winner. So let me go ahead. This is my first one. This is the third place winner, which means that you're gonna get 2 skeins of yarn. I'm sorry, I picked 2, so I'm taking this one and I'm dropping it in here. I can't see who it is. See, you can't see who it is. All right, so Linda, you are my third place winner. So depending on how much the shipping has cost, I may go ahead and get you those 2 skeins, since it's a smaller weight box. So, and I can probably get it in a small envelope. So anyway, let me know how to get you those 2 skeins, but Linda is my third place winner. All right, so let me fold this one up again. All right. Ooh. Ooh. All right, got my second place winner here. So my second place winner is Motley 9979. So my Instagram winner. So my Facebook winner was third place. My Instagram winner was second place. So that means that you're going to get one of my purple things halfway full of yarn. So that's going to be coming to you here within the next week or so. So that is it. And that means that my grand prize winner is Crystal Hodges. Yay! All of you guys need to let me know how to reach out, how to get you the prizes. So if you could just reach out to me at hooktoTheLeft@gmail.com. I don't know why I spaced for a moment there, but again, that's hooktoTheLeft@gmail.com. And just reach out to me, let me know how to get you your prizes. I can't wait to send them to you, and yay, I'm so excited. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.